Hello friends, class 11 students. আমি পঢ়ি আছিলোঁ sequence and series 9.2 chapter tour. This is question number 12. In the question number 12 it is given that sum of the mth terms and sum of the nth terms, their ratio, that means ratio of the sum of the mth term and nth term is m square by n square. Then find the ratio of mth term and nth term. The sum of the ratio is given. You have to find out the mth and nth term and their ratios. So this you have to prove here. Twice n minus 1 by twice n minus 1. So Sm is equal to what? Sm is equal to formula m by 2 twice a plus m minus 1 into d, or n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. This is simple. Some more formula to asil tomolok mon rakhiba. Etu loge jana to hokole jana etu. To yaar ami ki korobo yat to 2 is cancel out. Okay, যদি এটা কি ভালো লৈ যাও কিমান হ'ব? এটা দেখি ভালো লৈ যাও ইয়াত কিমান থাকিলে তেতিয়া twice a plus m minus 1 whole into d, ইয়াত থাকিব twice a plus n minus 1 whole into d is equal a to m by n. This is m by n, so just you write here that it will come by n by m. So n is cancelled, that means it is m square by n square into, it will be n by m. This is m by n, then if you go that side it will be n by m. So it should cut 1 1. So you get m by n. This is a simple answer. So then what will do? Now you have to multiply. What multiply? Cross multiplication. So cross multiply twice a n. You multiply this here. Twice a n plus, that will be what? md into n, mdn minus dn is equal, you multiply here twice ma plus, this is nd and with mnd minus md, this is md, correct? So here you see this part and this part is similar, you can cut out. Then what you will do, you bring this side, this to that side and md to that side. So it will be md minus dn and twice ma minus twice an, correct? So what will be d is equal to what? m minus n, correct? And here if you take 2a as common, then it will get m and n, m minus n. So m minus n cut, you will get d is equal what? Twice a. This is the common difference, d. You get the common difference d here. So d means what? You have got d is equal twice a. I have to rub this part, musiba lagibo for the next part. So just you see again and take the snapshot. Okay, you understand? So let's go to the final point. Then what you are asked, now left hand side, go that side, am by an. What is am? Am means a plus m minus 1 into d. And what is an? A plus n minus 1 into d. So what is the value of d? It's the value of, what is the value of d? Twice a. So put the value of here, a plus m minus 1 into twice a plus n minus 1 into twice a. Remember this. Do not cut this because this is not same here. This is multiplied with this only and this is multiplied with m minus 1 only. So you cannot cut this. কিছুমান কথা তোমালোকে অলপ চিন্তা কৰি চাব, পটকে কাটি দিলে শেষ বৰবাদ হৈ যাব। গতিকে a প্লাছ কিমান হ'ব? টুৱাইচ am minus twice a প্লাছ twice an minus twice a. So এটা কিমান আহিব? a minus twice, that means twice am minus a আৰু ইয়াত কিমান আহিব twice an minus a correct so এটা কিমান হ'ব is equal কিমান আহিব এতিয়া কোৱা ইয়াৰ পৰা তুমি কি কমন ল'ব পাৰিবা a কমন ল'ব পাৰিবা a কমন ল'লে কিমান থাকিব twice m minus 1 ইয়াৰ পৰা a কমন থাকিব twice n minus 1 এতিয়া a cancel হ'লে কিমান হ'ব এতিয়া কিমান হ'ব এতিয়া কোৱা you get the right hand side that means twice m minus 1 twice n minus 1 this is the right hand side of the question গতিকে এটো আমি question number 12 টো আমি লিখিতে হৈ গল very simple answer very simple calculation just you need little bit concentration in the sum and you can continue this now see question number 13 question number 13 is given here as n is equal to 3n square plus 5n am is equal to 164 find the value of m that means m is equal to what etia as n is equal to 3n square a কাম to কৰিব কাৰণে এটা সৰু এটা কথা ট্ৰিক জানি লব লাগিব হে ট্ৰিক টো কেনে কমন মই শিকাইছো চোৱা প্ৰথমতে 1 2 3 ধৰিলে এটা সিৰিজ এটো 1 2 3 it is a series a series tour s1 মানে কিমান হ'ব s1 মানে মাত্ৰ first term this is the first term only so s1 means 1 it black term নাই s only one term so isn't the value of a it a will নহব জানো so then s2 is equal কিমান হ'ব s2 is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 hobo okay s2 means first term plus second term etia s2 minus s1 kole kiman hobo s2 minus s1 kole kiman hobo 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 isn't it the second term it is second term no hobo that means a2 no hobo a2 is equal to 2 this is a2 a trick to ke ami use korim kenake use korim onko to swa a trick to janibo lagibo a trick to janile tumi a onko to koribo pariba নহলে there is no way to find out the answer. Let's see this question number how to proceed. This is s1 is equal to s1 means what 3 into 1 square plus 5 into 1 that means 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 this is 8 means what this is a1 is equal to 8 correct so then s2 is equal to what 3 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 that means what 3 4 are 12 plus 10 is equal to 22 okay then s2 minus s1 you get 22 minus 8 22 minus 8 means what this is 14 this is s2 minus s1 this means a2 is equal to 14 a2 is equal to 14 so a2 is equal to 14 then what a2 minus a1 is equal to what 14 minus 8 is equal to 6 a2 minus a1 means what a2 minus a1 d was it means d so d is equal to 6 so now you have got the entire informations let's go for the am is equal to 164 so am is what a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to 164 so a is equal to what putting the value of a means what a is equal to what 8 a is equal to 8 first term 8 plus m minus 1d is equal to d means what you can put the value of d here what is the value of d here d means 6 is equal to 164 then what m minus 1 is equal to what this is 164 minus 156 by 6 so m minus 1 is equal to what 6 to the 12 and what 12 36 36 then 6 6 is 36 so what is the value of m is equal to 27 this is a simple calculation কিন্তু a trick to জানিব লাগিব a trick to জানিলে m কত কৰিব পাৰিবা so find out please concentrate on this trick rest of the part is very simple but the trick is very important okay this is question number 13 can I have it then question number 14 question number 14 is very simple question very simple line question number 14 is given insert you have to put a few numbers that means 5 numbers between 8 and 26 8 and 26 you have to put 5 numbers x1 x2 x3 x4 x5 such that they forms a series ap they are in ap so find out the values let the numbers be x1 x2 x3 x4 and x5 so then what here first term is equal to what first term is equal to what first term is equal to 8 and what is the last term is the seventh term 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 that is a7 is equal to 26 right so you have to find out question asking find out the what is the resulting sequence such that the resulting sequence is, we have to find out the numbers. So then A7 is equal to what? A plus 6D is equal to 26. What is the meaning of A? A means 8. 8 plus 6D is equal to what? 26. So 6D is equal to what? 6D is equal to 26 minus 8. How much? This is 18. So D is equal to what? D is equal to 3. Very simple answer. Good. 3. So যদি 3 পালা D পালা তো ইয়াৰ পিছত কিনে নিউ মেলে গৈ থাকিব কিমান? এটো 8 হ'ব তাৰ পিছত 3 প্লাস কৰা you can write here 8. therefore AP to level say AP is equal what? 8 পালা 8 এর পিছত 3 প্লাস কৰিলে কিমান হ'ব? 9 10 11 তাৰ পিছত 3 প্লাস কৰি দিয়া this is 14 12 13 14 14 plus 3 17 17 এর পাছত কিমান 3 প্লাস কৰি দিয়া this is 20 1 2 3 4 সাইডে প্লাস কৰি লৈ তাৰ পিছত কিমান হ'ব 23 আর তাৰ পিছত কিমান হ'ব 26 this is the AP. very simple answer. গম পাইছানে মানে এটো একদম সহজ অংক খালি এই কথাটো বুজি পালে হল. so this was the questions from 12 13 and 14. so মই আশা কৰো তোমালোকে বুজি পাইছা. যদি কিবা বুজি পোৱা নাই তেন্তে you can come in the comment box and you can ask any question to me. so for the further questions please keep watching my channel Mathematics with Paraktabuli.